We played the tall giraffe exercise, which was a non-legato articulation with bouncy arm. Then you also learned the tree frog exercise, which had connected fingers with a bouncy arm. Soaring bird is a different legato articulation with the fingers connecting with one arm motion for the phrase. So we're going to start with right hand 2 on middle C and go down and up, soaring bird, 2, 3, 4, soaring bird, and then back down, 4, 3, 2, soaring bird, soaring bird. Soaring bird for the left hand starts 2 C's down from the middle with finger 4 on the C. Down and up, soaring bird, and back down, soaring bird,